Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a better application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so in this video, we are going to make an awesome weather application by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In this video, we are also going to use an external API which is known as current weather API. Okay, so I have already registered myself, so I have got my credentials like a API key and other details. Okay, so you just have to register yourself and you will get API key. You are free to use this API key in your personal as well as in your professional website. Okay, so let me show you the example what I'm talking about and what we are going to build in this application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I would request you to please be there till last, and I'm sure you're going to learn something new, something different in this video. Okay, so let's go to the example and let me show you what I'm talking about. So here is an example. Here is a search box and a button. You have to search city by its name and you will get the weather of that city. Okay, so let me search the city here now. So I'm searching a city. Let me search the city Pune and click on the button see weather. Okay, see, we have got the details. This is the temperature, scattered clouds, city is Pune, India, feels like this much, and humidity is 19. Okay, so you can search any city of India as well as around the world. Okay, so let me search another city, Delhi. Okay, see, in Delhi, this is the temperature, age, city is Delhi, India, feels like this much, and humidity is this much. Okay, let me search another city. Let me search Patna. See, we have got this much of temperature, scattered clouds, city is Patna, India, feels like this much, and humidity is this much. Let's search last city now. Let me search Bangalore. See, in Bangalore, this much, clear sky, Bangalore, India, and feels like this much, and humidity is this much. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to make this much application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and some external API. So guys, let's get started. But before starting of the video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos. Okay, please like my videos, so it will motivate me, it will give me the confidence to make awesome videos on every topic of web development and web designing. Thanks a lot guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos. So guys, let's get started and make this awesome weather application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and some open API. Okay, so I'm going to the code editor now. Let's create a new page, give it a weather application. Weather app.html. Okay, I'm going to save this page now. Save this. Okay, HTML code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so create a div. Give it a class as container, call lg4, margin top 5, margin bottom 5, and mx as auto, so that this will place our div inside the center of the page. Okay, close this div now. Create an input field. Create an input field. Type as text. Give it a class as form control. okay, and weather. Placeholder, please enter your city name to see the weather details. Okay, give it a ID also as weather only. Okay, so we will target this input field in our JavaScript. Okay, so create another class, create a div, give it a class as clearfix, close this div now. Okay, we're using this class, okay, to clear the float left property, float left value inside this page. Okay, that's why we are using, nothing else. Create another div, give it a class as cards, close this div. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as card. Okay, clear fix, create another div, give it a class as text center, and close this div now. Open this div, create button, give it a class as weather button, give and give btn info, margin top 3, margin bottom also 3. Okay, and give it ID also as weather button. Okay, close this button now, give the text see weather. Okay, so first of all guys, let me include CDN for font awesome and Bootstrap. Okay, so this is my file path for Bootstrap classes, and this is the CDN for font awesome. Okay, this is my file path for Bootstrap. Okay, so if I class fafa paper plane, okay, area hidden equal to true, close this I now. Okay, and close this div also. Don't forget to close your closing tag. Okay, otherwise it will create a lot of problem, it will create a lot of chaos in your code. Okay, so cards, max auto, okay, inside this div create another div, give it a class as info, close this div now. Create a span tag, give it a class as arrow, give it a id also as arrow. Okay, close this span tag, and inside this span tag create I, give it a class as fafa arrow left. Okay, and give another class as arrow. Okay, give area hidden as true. Okay, close this I now. Okay, inside this create another span tag, give it a class as rt, and close this span now. Write the text weather info. Okay, so info, inside this div create another div, give it a class as separator and clear fix. Okay, close this div now. Fine, inside this create img tag src, give it a class as img give it a class as card img top. Okay, and give id also as img. Okay, and give alt tag. If you would like to give it, just give weather img. Okay, weather image, that's it. Okay, so let it be. As of now, create another div below this, give it a class as card body, close this div, create another div, inside this give it a class as deflex justify content center, and close this div now. Okay, inside this div create another div, give it a class as deflex and db, close this div now. Okay, close this div now, and give it also an id as temperature. Okay, we are giving nothing here, we will populate the data here by using JavaScript. Okay, so we are giving nothing here, we won't be able to see anything as of now. We will populate the JavaScript over the fly. Okay, so create another div, give it a class as degree. Okay, and close this div now. I'm going to use HTML code for degree. Okay, DG, and this create a and a span tag, span, give it a class as C, put C here and close this span. Okay, close this span tag. So again we will create a p tag, p, give it a class as card text, give it id also as descriptions, and close this p. As of now just put this. Okay, so we will populate the data here by using JavaScript. Okay, as of now I have given this only, so don't need to worry, we will populate the data here by using JavaScript. Okay, so create another div, give it a class as dflex and db lock. Okay, and inside this div we will create h5 tag. Okay, give h5, give it a class as card title, and give id also as weather value, and close this h5. Okay, so okay, so now inside this div create another div, give it id as error, we will show error message here. Okay, close this div. Now we are not going to give anything as of now because we don't need anything here. We will get each and everything from the API, from this external API. Okay, so as of now we are giving nothing here, we won't be able to see anything here. Okay, we will populate data here by using JavaScript. So now give footer, close this footer also. Inside this footer create div, give it a class as border top p0 deflex and justify content center. Okay, close this div. Now here also we will put this dash. Okay, copy this div, class border top p0 deflex justify content center. Okay, so we will delete this. Okay, give it footer 1. Okay, give width 50, give text center, and give p3 border right. Okay, give footer border right. give footer 2, width 50, text center, p3, and border, let be the border nothing. Okay, just save the page and go to the browser and refresh your browser. Okay, and let's see if we got anything. As of now we won't get anything, so because we will populate the data here by using JavaScript. So open this file in the browser. Okay, as of now we are able to see this only. So we will put each and everything here like this. We will put each and everything here like this by using JavaScript. Okay, so as of now it is looking like this only. So go to the code now. Okay, so now we will write JavaScript for the functionality. Okay, so first of all let me include CDN. Let me include this CDN. This is the URL I will access in JavaScript. Okay, create a script tag. Okay, create a script tag, const input value document dot query selector. Okay, we will grab the input value what user will input inside this input box, inside this search box. Okay, inside this search box. So just go up and this is the input field. Okay, get this weather and paste it here. Okay, dot value dot trim. Okay, I will remove white space from left side and from right side of the text. Const, let's create a variable btn document dot query selector. Close this, and now we will grab this button, see weather button. Okay, by its ID. So this is the button. I'm going to grab this button by its ID. Okay, so paste it here and const image, const image. Okay, dot, I'm creating a path for image, for this image. Okay, this cloud image. Okay, for this cloud image I'm creating a path here. Okay, so my folder is images. Let me show you the images also inside the folder. Okay, so this image I am talking about, cloud.png. okay, it is inside the images folder. Okay, so I have set the path here and image name also. Okay, so we will place this image here. We will place this image here by using JavaScript. Okay, so now I am going to attach an event listener over this button. Okay, so this button dot add event listener, it will be a click event. Okay, click, and will run a function known as weather info. Okay, so now we will create a function called as weather info. So below this function name, we don't need any arguments, so let it be blank, and this is the function body. We will define what we are going to do over this function. We will define inside this body of the function. Okay, so first of all we will check if user has entered something into the search box or not. If user has inputted not anything into this box, we will alert the user that please search your city by its name. Okay, so for that just check if user has submitted something into the search box or not. If this input value dot or and input value dot length is equal to 0, then we will alert the user that please enter your city name. Okay, and we'll return false. So that our code will terminate here, our function will stop executing here. Okay, let's save the code now. Go to the browser and refresh the page if we are getting anything or not. Refresh the page now. Click on the button, see whether. See, we are getting the alert, please enter your city name. Okay, means our code is working fine. We are getting alert. Now input something, Pune. Still we are getting. So change this. We are getting here Pune. Enter your city name. Let's remove this dot value. Please enter your city name. Enter Pune. Enter your city name. Input value. Okay, remove this value here from here. Save your code. Go to the browser, refresh your page. Please enter your city name. Okay, Pune. See, now we are getting nothing, means our code has started working fine. Okay, now we will move ahead, we will move further. So in else part will execute if everything is fine. So we are going to use JavaScript very famous method known as fetch method. Okay, this method takes at least one argument which is known as URL. Okay, so fetch, we are going to put this URL. Okay, I will explain what this URL is all about. Okay, so dot value then it will return a promise. If it will return promise or rejection. If it is rejection, it will throw an error. If it is resolved, then it will return an promise. So then response dot JSON. We are converting the JSON object in JavaScript object. Okay, here this is the JSON response, and we are converting this JSON response into JavaScript object. Okay, so that we can easily access the JavaScript object, easily will manipulate it. Okay, according to our need, according to our requirements. Okay, so if it is resolved, if it is resolved, the condition, the status is okay, then only it will return data. Okay, it will return data. So let's as of now console this data and see what it returns. Console.log and data. Okay, let's see. Save the code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Open your console, go to console, put city as Pune, click on the button now. See, we got the response. See, we got the response. This is the main. We will use this main only. Okay, this main, this object only. Fields like ground level, humidity, pressure, sea level, temperature, temperature max, minimum temperature. This city name is Pune. Okay, see here you can see city name as Pune. Here in weather, this is an array. Okay, single array. So ID is this, main is rain, description light rain. Okay, it will rain today in Pune. Okay, so icon is this icon. So see, now we are able to know that it might rain in Pune. Okay, today it might rain in Pune. So everything is working fine. We are getting our response from the server, from this API server. We are getting the response now, and let me show you the response. See, here is the response we are getting. Let me open my console. See, this is the code, this is the coordinate, this is the coordinate, this is the weather object. So here is the weather object. Okay, description, icon, ID and main. Okay, ID, main, description and icon. Okay, so and main, go to main here. See, this is the main. So you are free to use this weather API apps in your project. Okay, so we are getting our response from the server, now. So we are good to go ahead, we are good to go further. So go to your code now and start writing your code for further function. Okay, so we are getting data now. So let's create a variable HTML, initialize it with nothing. Okay, so now we are going to check if data is being returned from the server or not. If data is being returned from the server, then only we will execute this if part. Okay, otherwise we won't execute this if part. Okay, so as of now we can see our data is being returned from the server. If everything is fine, everything is cool, then we will get our data. Okay, so this if const, I'm creating a variable as city. Okay, give this data dot city. So here we are getting each and everything in this data. Okay, in this data we are getting each and everything. If we would like to initial, I mean क्या बोलते हैं, get the main, we would get data dot main, and we'll like to get fields like, then data dot main dot fields like, data dot main dot humidity, data dot main dot pressure. Okay, so everything here we are getting in this data object now. Okay, so data dot city, city name, here I'm talking about this name Pune. Okay, so data dot name will return Pune. Okay, this Pune. Fine, go ahead, create another const, country, data dot sys dot country. Okay, so let me go here and show you the country. I'm getting country here. So as you know, everything is inside this data now. Everything is inside this data now. So data dot sys dot country will return. So data dot sys, this sys, and this country. As of now, this is IT, and for our case, in our case, it will return India. Okay, so go ahead, const image equal to this image. Okay, this image, the cloud image I showed you previously, this image. Okay, now const, here we are using object destructuring. Okay, so descriptions and id will be equal to data dot weather, and weather is an array, so we will put 0. Let me show you if weather is an array or not. See, weather is an array. Here it is an array, single array. Let me go to the console and let me show you weather is an array. Okay, see here it is also saying that weather is an array, object of array. Okay, see, single object of array, that's why I have given 0 here. Okay, weather is an object, that's why I have given 0 here. Fine, so const, again I'm using object destructuring here. So fields like humidity, I will explain you what is object destructuring here only, don't worry, and temp equal to data dot main. Okay, so object destructuring means we are initializing, we are getting the object data, object property inside this constant. So this constant, this variable should be the exact name of the properties of the object. Okay, this name should be the exact name of the object or the property. So let me go here, and this is the object destructuring. So here is an object. Okay, and we are getting value of front end and back end from this free code camp. Okay, so we are consoling now. Front end and back end will get React and Node. This name and this name should be the exact, this name and this name. Okay, it should be the same from the object name also only. No name should be different. That's why here we are using fields like humidity and temp. Let me go to the console and see, here I am using from the main fields like this, fields like this humidity, this temp, this temp is this temp. This name, this variable name should be the exact from this object property. Okay, this object, this is called as object destructuring. Okay, here when destructuring object, we use curly braces with the exact name of what we have in the object. Okay, unlike in array where we can use any variable name to unpack the element object allows just the use of the name of the stored data. Okay, interestingly, we can manipulate the and assign a variable name to the data we want to get from the object. Okay, so here is an example. It is saying this name and this name should be the same. This is only known as destructuring, object destructuring. Okay, so let me go to the code and move ahead further. So now we have got each and everything. What now we are going to place each and everything here inside this div by using JavaScript. Okay, by using JavaScript we are going to populate the data here from this JavaScript. Okay, so move ahead. Document dot query selector, what is weather value? This weather value. Okay, and it is an ID. Yeah, it is an ID, so we have to put hash dot inner text will give equal to backtick. We are using template literals here. Okay, we will use template literal here. So dollar curly braces, and we'll use this city here. Okay, city name like Pune, Bangalore, Delhi. Okay, to uppercase. Uppercase is a JavaScript method which allow us to capitalize uppercase or any text. Okay, again document dot query selector. So now we are going to grab this img, here, img, it is a id, so we'll put hash dot src equal to this img. Okay, this img, we'll put cloud img here. Let me show you the image also, what I'm talking about. This cloud image. Okay, this cloud image we'll put there by using JavaScript. Okay, document dot query selector, descriptions. Let me show you what description I am talking about. This description. Okay, dot inner text equal to backtick template literals dollar sign curly braces, and will use this description. Okay, dot to uppercase. Okay, now fine. Next, document dot query selector dot will use this temp. This temp will show the temperature here. Okay, will show the temperature here. So it is an ID, so we have to put hash dot inner text equal to backtick dollar curly braces, and we'll use this temp. Okay, this temp to uppercase. Okay, again document dot query selector dot card discards dot style dot display equal to block. Okay, as of now we will hide this card by using CSS. Okay, and we will show this card by using this JavaScript. Okay, when user will click on the button after putting any city name in this search box. Okay, so document dot query selector will use this footer 1. It is a class, so we have to put point dot inner text equal to backtick dollar. We are using, this is known as template literal. Okay, or string interpolation. Okay, so we'll use humidity here, or first of all use feels like. So feels like, close this, and we'll attach, we'll concatenate some string also. Feels like, this is known as concatenation. In JavaScript we concatenate the things with plus. Okay, so we'll put new line. Okay, for new line we will use backward slash and n. Okay, this will give us new line. Copy this and paste it here and change this to this footer 2. Okay, this footer 2, and change the text to humidity. Okay, humidity, and change this feel like to humidity from here. Okay, from this object. Okay, so if anything goes wrong, we'll catch it here. ERR fat arrow. This is known as fat arrow function, or okay, or arrow function. Simply document dot query selector cards dot style dot display as block. And close this again. Document dot query selector. I am talking about this error now. This error, this. Okay, we'll place error text here by using JavaScript. Okay, so this error dot inner text equal to give wrong city name. Okay, close this, and that's it. Save the code. Okay, as of now, save the code now. Go to the browser and refresh your page. Put city as Pune. Okay, I'm going to click on this button now. See, we got this much. Scatter cloud, Pune. We are not getting India. Why? We are not getting style. We are not getting city name. Okay, and country also. We have to put country also. We have to put country also. Template returns. And we have to put country also. Save the code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, this time search Patna, click the button now. Yeah, we are getting country also. Okay, so this is the cloud, this is the temperature, description haze, Patna, IND, and we are not getting here feels like and humidity. Why? Let me just check. No, footer 1, footer 2, we are not getting feels like and humidity. Why? Feels like weather data dot main document dot query selector footer 1 dot inner text footer dot inner text feels like this and humidity is this. Why we are not getting? Okay, just comment this out and go to the page, refresh it now, put Pune. Yeah, now we are getting. Okay, first of all, now I am going to hide this. I'm going to style this card. Okay, and after that we will hide it, and only we will be able to show when someone is able to search. Okay, then only we will show this card. So just go to your code and comment this, and inside your head section create a style sheet. Okay, I am going to create an internal style sheet inside the head section. Okay, inside the head section let's create a style sheet. So body, give background color as ED FO F3. Okay, give position as relative. Now I'm going to target this IMG, this image. So target this IMG now. It is a ID, so we have to put hash. So display as block, width as 100 px, margin as 0, auto, position as relative, object fit cover, and margin bottom 20 px, margin top as 20 px. So save your code now, go to the browser, and we'll have to copy this and search the button now. See, we're getting this now. Okay, so go to the code. Now I'm going to target this card. Okay, this card. so class, so we have to put point. Okay, so background color is FFF, box sizing, border box, and box shadow is 0px, 1px, and 3px. It's RGBA. Okay, so 0.3. Okay, so we'll target this cards now. We'll target these cards now. We'll target these cards now. Okay, so give, as of now, give display block. We have to hide this card. Okay, so as of now we have to give block so that we will be able to see what is happening or not. And justify content as center, give align item as center, align content as center, and position as relative. Okay, so just save the code, go to the browser, copy this Punicity, refresh the page now, search it again. See, we're getting now this much only. So now going to target this card body, okay, it is a class, so to put point, justify content center, line height, give initial, give align item center, give align content center, give align self as center. So basically we are putting each and every content, each and every element of the card into center of the card. Okay, so nothing fancy here, text align center. Okay, that's it. Now we'll target this separator. Okay, this separator we are targeting now. Paste it here. So give height auto, give background as transparent, give width 100%, and give padding as 0px. Okay, now we are going to target this info div. Okay, so border bottom thin solid DC D6 C9 C9. Okay, padding 15px, put padding left as 20px, put color as Doza blue, put font size as 20px, put cursor as pointer, put font family as sans serif, and give font width as lighter. Okay, so fine. Now I'm going to target this dv lock, this dv lock. Okay, so give justify content center, align item center, and text align as center, and font family sans serif, and give position as relative. Okay, so now we're going to target this dv, which is a division for temperature. Okay, so copy it here, paste it here, and font size, give font family as sans serif, font size as, give font size as 50px, give cursor as pointer, font weight as 500, give color as black. Okay, so now we are going to target this descriptions. Okay, this descriptions, as it is an id, we have to put hash, paste it here, and will give font size as 20, give 26px. Okay, so now we are going to target this arrow. Okay, as it is an id, we have to put hash, paste it here, so give width 40px, give height as 40px, give position as relative, give display as flex, give justify content center, give align item as center, give align content also center, and give border radius as 100%, and give cursor as pointer. Okay, save this code. As of now, let's go to the browser and see what we have done as of now. So go to the browser, refresh your, copy this, refresh your page now, search it again. See, as of now we are getting this much, but we are not getting feels like and humidity. Why? Just inspect it now and let's see if we are getting any error. Okay, so first let me comment this, then only we will get our feels like and humidity. You know why we are not getting feels like and our humidity? Because our code execution stop here. Okay, because we are getting error, the code is encountering an error here, that's why it has stopped. So let's comment this out and go to the browser and refresh, copy this, refresh this page, paste it here, and search again. See, now we are getting feels like also and humidity also. Okay, so let's go to the code and style some more. It should exactly look like this. Okay, exactly look like this. So go here, give font weight as 800 or 900. Okay, scatter cloud Pune, fine, feels like this. Okay, so we'll make this each and everything fine, don't worry, just be there till last. I'm sure you will learn a lot of things from this video. Okay, Bangalore, search it, see, we're getting now. Okay, clear sky. So we just have to style some more. we just have to style some more. So copy this and paste it here on hover. Okay, we'll put background as lavender. Okay, now we are going to target this info. Okay, put it here. This is a class, so we have to put point. Let me cross check it again. Is it a class or not? Yeah, it is a class. So give display as flex, justify content center, give align content, content as center, give align self as center, give position as relative, give text align center, give cursor as pointer. Okay, now I'm going to target this RT. Where is the RT? Yeah, this RT. This is a class. Okay, so position relative and top as 5px. Okay, give this card, where is the card? This card a width of 60%. Go to the card. Yeah, here is the card hour. Give width as 60%. Okay, so now I'm going to target this degree. Where is the degree? Yeah, this degree we are going to target now. So it is a class, so give font size as px and font family sans serif and font weight as 500. Okay, now I'm going to target this C. This C I'm going to target now. So this is the class. So it is a class. Copy this again, go up, paste it here, and font size give 45px, give font weight as bolder, give position as relative, give float right, give top as 12px, and give font family as sans serif. Okay, so as of now we have done our styling. Okay, we have finished with styling. Now save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. First copy this, now refresh your page, paste it here, Bangalore, search it now. See, we are getting this now. Okay, so it is exactly looking like this, exactly. So let me just inspect it and see what is the issue with this. Give width 100%. Yeah, give width 100%. Yeah, go to info, give width 100%, save this file and check this also, check this also. Yeah, remove the top, make it 0. Okay, make it 0 and save your file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Search Delhi. See, we got all the details. Okay, this much is temperature, broken clouds, city is Delhi, country is India, feels like this much, and humidity is 22. Okay, so as of now we have to hide this card. Initially we have to hide this card. So in CSS we have to go to the card. Okay, go to the card and give it none. Okay, so save it and refresh the page. See, now we are not able to see, but we have to again enable this using this JavaScript. Okay, so style.display block, save the page, go to the browser, refresh your page now. Okay, search Pune. I'm going to click on the button now. Go to the, yeah, we are getting some error. We are getting some error. It is saying that catch error. Cards. Okay, we don't have ID, but to put ID also, and we are accessing it through ID, so put cards. Okay, ID also. Save the code, go to the browser, refresh your page, search again Pune, click on the button now. Now see, we are getting our desired output. Okay, our desired result. So Pune, search Patna, temperature is this much, description is Hage, city is Patna, country is India, feels like this much, and humidity is this much. Okay, search Darbhanga. See, 38, clear sky, city is Darbhanga, country is India, feels like 35, and humidity is 10. Search Bangalore, click on the button now. 32, few clouds, Bangalore, India. Yeah, there is few clouds, I can see that. Feels like 32 and humidity is 35. Okay, search Japan. 20, clear sky, city is Japan, country is Japan, feels like 20 degree, and humidity is this much. Search Beijing. Search Beijing. See, in Beijing only 20 degree temperature, overcast clouds, city is Beijing, country is China, feels like this much, and humidity is this much. Okay, so this code will work around the world. You are free to search any city in the world. You will get all the applications like temperature, description, city, country name, feels like, and humidity. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have achieved our result. Okay, in this video tutorials. So if you are having any kind of doubts in understanding this JavaScript or anything from here, just feel free to comment. I will clear all your doubts, I will clear all your queries. So guys, we have come to end of this video tutorial. So thanks a lot guys for being there, and again, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please I'm requesting you guys, please like my videos so that it will help me, it will motivate me to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development. Okay, so thank you guys, and as you all know, my all video is dedicated to someone who is very close to my heart, who is very close to my feelings. Okay, so thank you guys for being there till last. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have learned something from this video, please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, thanks a lot guys. See you in the next video.